Dear friends, let's check out what Quench Botanics has sent us this time. So, Quench Botanics is made in Korea Cosmetics. It's paraben free. It's made in Korea. It's toxin free. It's 100% vegetarian. And the goodies they have sent this times are this is Quench Mama Cica mud dipping sheet, mask for oil control and clear skin. And then we have here it's Quench Avocado Brightening Under Eye Hydrogel Mask. So many goodies over here. Let's check out one by one. This is Quench Botanics Purge Moisturizing Face Mist. This is Matcha Butter Air Shine Moisturizer. This is Mama Cica Pore Cleansing Exfoliating Face Wash. And here we have Quench Mama Cica Heat Away Treatment Patches. Wow, this is something different and very innovative.